Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to curve or distort shapes in Figma using different techniques, whether you want precise vector control, smooth curves, or more advanced warping effects. The most direct method is using the Pen tool. Enter edit mode by double-clicking your shape or pressing enter to reveal its vector points. Activate the Pen tool from the secondary toolbar or hold Ctrl, Windows, /Command, Mac. Click on any segment between 2 points and drag. It will automatically create Bezier handles to curve the line. You can then adjust the handles manually to refine the curve's angle and intensity for perfect control. For full control over the structure, you can manipulate anchor points with the Pen tool, P. In edit mode, add new points along a path and move them individually to deform the shape globally. To convert a sharp corner into a curve, hold Ctrl/Command and click the point, giving you complete flexibility over the shape's geometry. If your goal is simply to round corners, Figma makes it easy. Select your shape and adjust the corner radius in the design panel, or drag the small white circles inside the corners directly on the canvas for a visual adjustment. This works perfectly for rectangles, polygons, or complex vector shapes. For more advanced or complex distortions, Figma's native tools are limited, so plugins can help. Plugins like warp tools allow deformation of entire layers or groups. Arc or Bender are great for curving text or shapes along circular paths, and distortion provides freeform effects like skewing or perspective shifts. By combining these methods, Pen tool, anchor point manipulation, corner radius adjustments, and plugins, you can curve, warp, or deform virtually any shape in Figma with precision and flexibility.